Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Guerlain is famous for his Chypre style of fragrance and it never disappoints with the smell. So today I have a fragrance which is limited to Harrods and it was sold in a small quantity as well, which is now discontinued at the moment. And the name of the fragrance is Royal Extract 2. So if you are curious to know more about this fragrance, please stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you love fragrance related content. And let's start by the presentation of this beautiful perfume. So it comes in this green color box with gold plate and the lettering on the front, which resembles the style of Harrods. And then you have nothing on the sides, and then at the back you have your Guerlain ingredients, and at the top you have logo, and at the bottom you have your batch code. That's it. So if you open up like this, you will get another box inside. So this is inside box which has B engraved on all sides, all corners. On the top you have your Guerlain logo, and at the bottom you have nothing. So you open up like this and then you get your beautiful perfume right here. This perfume bottle is engraved with the B as well, as all the Guerlain bottles, they have B engraved on the bottle. So you can feel the engraving. This is a beautiful style bottle, but it's a dabber style, it's not a perfume spray. So you open up like this and then you just apply on your wrist, and then you can smell it from there. So this fragrance was launched in 2020 and then it gets sold out very soon before a lot of people get their hands on it, this beautiful scent. So if I read out the notes to you, the top notes are petitgrain and pink pepper. In the middle you're getting highness, orange blossom and cedar. In the base you're getting galbanum, moss and vetiver. So the best way to describe this is it's a green floral scent which is wrapped around a Chypre accord. With a hint of orange blossom. So it's a very good Chypre fragrance, different from all the Chypres that you smell. It's very appealing and it will give you a lot of compliments as well. So it starts with the orange blossom wrapped around a pink pepper accord, which slowly develop into a green white floral scent which lasts for some time, and then it dries down into a musky and mossy scent wrapped around woody notes and the earthy vibe that's coming from vetiver. So it's a pure class luxury fragrance. It's definitely not for the every occasion, but whenever you want to wear a tuxedo or going to a party, this will scream luxury without offending anyone. So this one is very you can say mass appealing fragrance, and trust me, you will smell different than everyone around you. You will smell amazing. And I tried this one as well, and a lot of people stop me and ask me what fragrance I am wearing. And for me, I can't resemble any other fragrance that is close to this one as well. So this one is sadly discontinued, but when it was available, it was retailed for about $1,700 in Australia, and it only comes in 125 ml of size. This is 125 ml bottle, and it's a dabber style, not a spray bottle, which a lot of people don't like it, but I think this is very good. In the oil concentration, you get a lot of longevity and projection with this smell. Yeah, so there is not many videos about this on YouTube and anywhere else as well, because it was limited and then it got discontinued very quick, as I just tell, because a lot of people, they couldn't get their hands on this fragrance. So if I talk about this, about the lasting, you can say it lasts for about 8 to 10 hours on the skin, and it has a good projection as well, which lasts for about, you can say, 2 or 2.5 hours. So according to the brand itself, this fragrance was made to leave a scent trail behind that people will remember, as nothing will smell like this fragrance. It's a comment from the fragrance community and the brand as well, but I think that's actually true. This one is, I have a lot of fragrances like Chypre fragrances from Roja and other brands as well, but nothing is compared to this fragrance. This one is exceptional. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.